welcome back to my channel. What I have for you today is a Dollar Tree haul, and Maggie's nemesis is at the window, the garbage truck. So she stands in the window and barks at it. She's so funny. Okay, so I have this. It's okay. So I have this really cute. Take two. Okay, so I have this really cute Dollar Tree haul for you. Some of the items are farmhouse, some of them are new finds for me, some are like for cleaning supplies. I just couldn't believe some of the things that I found, and then some are just my regular staples. So, and some are for 4th of July. So this is no particular order, so let me start showing you what I found. Okay, I picked up another one of these plungers. I love doing DIYs with plungers. I did a fall tree last fall with a plunger, and you would never know. It was gorgeous, okay? So there's that. Then I picked this up, and it's just a Wreath Form, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but it's square. So I picked that up. Then they have these little 4th of July signs. You're a grand old flag, and it has the metal, like the corrugated metal. Okay, and then this one just says welcome, but you could do a lot of different things with these. And then I found these stars in the square section. They're pretty thick, and they're nice wooden stars. So I picked up 3 of these. Then they had summer, sand, and sun. Another picture for your decor, or you could make that washboard probably with this and cut it down like I did the other day. But I thought this was so cute with the flamingos and the sun, and it just looks so cheerful. Okay, and then I picked up 2 more packets of these burner covers like I made my farmhouse stool with. Here's this one, and they come with an 8-inch and 6-inch burner cover. Okay, so I got the rooster one. I don't think it's really gonna matter. And then I got this one with the wine and the grapes. Okay, so I have 2 of those. Then I don't think I've ever seen these little bouquets already made at my Dollar Tree, so I picked this up. I think it's really cute. And then I saw this for the 4th of July. It just said USA, USA in the red, white, and blue. They're little plastic. It would be great to put a dessert in for the 4th of July or to drink out of by the pool. So I picked that up. And then I got me 2 more sets of these Tumbling Towers from the Dollar Tree. I love these things. And then I went totally ham sandwich. I lost it. I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs of these wooden rulers. I love using these to DIY with. And one of you all told me that it was like the new paint stir sticks, and it definitely is. It is so muggy and humid here today. I'm about to suffocate, okay? And then I picked up these little, you get 16 hot dog holders. Okay, and I thought they were really cute, so I picked those up. And then I have these from Crafter Square, these chalkboard tags. Excuse me, I think that's really cute. And then these chalkboard tag clothespins. Those are cute. And then I had never seen this before. It says, Faith Can Move Mountains. Isn't that really pretty? And it's one of their wall decors, but I've put these on wood before and made cute DIYs out of them. I've put them on the glass of the picture frames. There's so much you can do with this. And then I saw this rake, and I think it's so cute. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it. You may not see this until fall, but I loved it. My mind just kept thinking of several things you could do with that. And then I picked up in the household items for cleaning these Essential brand, and it's a big long handle that mops they have mops, they have things that you clean out your garage with, those big brushes. So I got the handle, and then I went ahead and picked up the microfiber dusting pad, and it just clicks right on there. So I thought that would be good. And then I picked up this. This is what it attaches to, the Essentials Wet Dry Flat Mop Pad, okay? And so this will just stick right on here, and I thought that is ingenious. And then you can just wash this, and with our hardwood floors it would come in handy. I usually Swiffer, but I'm thinking maybe I might like this. And then I picked up this Microfiber Mop Pad Light Duty to go on there. And then I picked up the heavy duty one. So that is really a new find for me. I had never seen these in my Dollar Tree before, and I think they're new, okay? And then I picked up these little wooden sticks. I thought they were so cute. You could do so much with those. I have some ideas, so stay tuned and see what I do with those. And then when we go to Sam's, sometimes we get this coconut, pumpkin seed little snack in a big package, and I saw this and I think it's organic, and I think it's kind of like a knockoff on that. So I picked 2 of these up, and I'll have to let you know how they tasted and were they as good as the other. But at Dollar Tree, who knew? And then I love to get socks at Dollar Tree, so I got my husband some footies, just a 3-pack of footies. It's okay. And then I got me some footies. I just love them. For $1 you get 3 pair. You can't beat that. And then as far as the farmhouse goes, I found another Be Grateful Always sign. I think that is so pretty, and it sets up. And they had one that had a tractor, a red tractor inside, and one that said welcome to the jungle, and another one, but I didn't get those. And then this one said, a spoiled dog lives here. I had to get that because she's definitely spoiled, but she's a sweetie, okay? So that concludes my haul. Let me go get Maggie and let her say hi. And Maggie has some things to haul. She got this little chew toy. She loves the little ropes. And then she got this, and it kind of pulls out. Oh, Mommy just messed it up. Mommy really messed it up. Well, anyway, you thread this through here. Mommy wasn't supposed to do that. Well, anyway, I'll have to fix it. But anyway, she loves to chew on this, and this rope was through it, but you really weren't supposed to pull that hard, I don't think. Mommy will fix it. But Maggie says, I really like my new toys, don't you, baby? Say, but I wanted to show everyone what I got. Yes, say I got 2 new toys and a 3rd one, but I haven't played with it yet, so I don't know I have it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And when you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you don't miss an upload. So if you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. So until next time, bye guys. Say bye. Bye-bye.